Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. आज का हमारा विषय है फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. मीन्स टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. भविष्य में विज्ञापन की क्या संभावनाएं हैं, विज्ञापन के क्या ट्रेंड्स होंगे, इसके बारे में आज हम इस लेक्चर वीडियो में चर्चा करेंगे. As the year 2020 approaches, marketers anticipate several changes in many areas of the ad tech industry. Some transformations might seem entirely new, while some took their start in recent years and will come to full power in 2020. To help you get prepared, we have created a list of the 5 most anticipated transformations in the world of digital advertising. They include white labeling, new ad formats and targeting techniques, DTC, in-house ad tech in e-commerce, SPOs, as well as new video marketing trends. DTC and in-house ad tech. Over the last few years, advertisers and marketers realized the value of shared big data. As MarTech enriches AdTech with more data, AdTech provides more efficient utilization of this data in return. In 2020, AdTech and MarTech tools will keep merging. This trend is very promising, as such corporations will enable the creation of uber personalized campaigns. At the same time, DTC means direct to customer. Advertising is conquering the e-commerce market, which brings even more personalization opportunities. The uses of this strategy makes brand consumer interactions more customer centered and individual. Examples too of direct to consumer advertising campaigns include promotions that encourage customers to collect codes from product packaging or register phone numbers on websites in order to win prizes. This marketing technique can have even more benefits for e-commerce if combined with white label ad tech solutions that help companies bring programmatic in-house. This way, using a white label ad tech solution, DTC marketers can plan and execute their ad campaigns independently without intermediaries. Moreover, companies can create their own ad exchange and integrate their only trusted DSP and SSP partners. Since e-commerce has a large pool of demand, white label ad exchange can be especially beneficial for companies that would like to open their own programmatic business. One of the most powerful tools for e-commerce is retargeting, as people who already purchased a product or service are more likely to be interested in future purchasing. The good thing is that D2C brands collect lots of third own first party data. So setting up a retargeting campaign is much simpler for them. The gathered information can be used for audience segmentation. Later, such segments can be integrated into white label DSP or ad exchange. Thus, such unique first party data becomes very valuable for personalization and targeting campaigns. Rise of white labeling. The main role of SSPs is to help publishers sell their inventories at the best price. As such, they serve as providers of several tools for selling inventory, such as price floors, effective inventory packaging, seller rules, and so on. The advertisers, in turn, are supported by DSPs. The whole ecosystem is aimed to promote a fair and transparent marketplace. Thank you.